Hello friends, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope you all is fine. Almighty keep you happy and keep you homes inhabited, and may you continue enjoy my videos like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing crochet bikini and shirt designs. Before I starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing design show to you people in it. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to you channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful. Keep for guys, so I keep similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box. You can like our videos, you want to watch my any videos related to, visit my channel Crochet Lovers. And if you guys want to, you can screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs. Is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes too. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video is a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss any over the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me, take care, will remember in prayer, and bye.